Yes, this is the wooden Mallard train from Imaginarium. And if you don't know Imaginarium, there are the wooden trains for Toys R Us. Let's get the locomotive. See, it's pretty clear that it is the Mallard. There's the number right here, 4468. Has lights or thingies, which isn't proper. And it has its funnel right here, and of course a boiler, and of course no cab detail because it's a wooden train. Now we have over here, it's tinder, has liner, the small little block of coal, has a little magnet right here, has this smacked on black spot, and liner presented on both sides. Have some gears looking things on the wheels. And on here, it also has some gear looking things over here. So, oh, and another thing, they have to connect this way for it to work. The coal has to be facing the locomotive or the loco, and else it just doesn't work. So here it comes with the coach thing. It also has liner, has all this black, has liner on both sides. It has some gear stuff, of course, 3 wheels, and of course, with like all wooden trains. Other way, it's a magnet. So I'm gonna kind of just push this. Now this is a British train, as in isn't it? It's getting a little dark. Oh, it made it. Trying to get all spots of it. Now it's going over that bridge. Let's see if we can get back up and back out into the light. Over there's kind of the dark spot. We'll pass the crane over to Uptown Station. Downhill, down it, and then the Waterfall Mountaintop Station, and now back down. And now I just put it like this. And no, this isn't a set, and I got this thing like a long time ago. Now, you may not be able to tell that it's a Mallard because they don't have the Mallard presented right here. So, but that is what it is. So, it's from Imaginarium. They don't sell it anymore, but it's still, if you did get it, it's also good price. So always get Imaginarium wooden trains because they're always great. Trains, just to begin with, those are good wooden trains, and they often have good quality. So I'm flip you around, go like that. Okay, you can back up like so. I put you in the ditch siding, flip you around, put you in the dark, deep shed. Oh, here's my G-gauge train. Okay, so that kind of about wraps it up for this review. And so, yeah, bye guys.